Hi guys, I will bring you to my workplace. Ganito kami aalagaan ni Per Seasons. That's the reason why I love Per Season brand, because when it comes to their staff, they will care. Dito sa part na to is kinukuha ko yung aking uniform, in-enter ko lang yung employees number na 204 at saka lalabas na po dyan yung aking malinis na uniform. Ganun po ka-high-tech. Tingnan niyo po. Kukunin ko na lang po. Yan. Ganun lang po. So, dito nga sa cafeteria. Pagkatapos syempre, bago pumasok sa work, of course, mag-breakfast po tayo muna para may energy. Pancake. Corned beef. Scrambled egg. Siyempre dapat complete meal at pagkatapos ng kumain ng breakfast, magkakape, tapos yung mag-dessert pa. Joseph, ganon. Ganon kami dito, mga ka-partners. Tapos maya-maya lang, sipag-sipagan kasi kakain ulit tayo. After nito, magla-lunch na naman. No. Chef Alex, thank you for the food. Lunchtime na namin ulit. So, iyan po, kumain ka, magpakasawa ka, hanggat gusto mo. Hindi ka pagbabawalan. Ganyan po kami dito. Hindi yung mga tinatakan. Madaming pagpipilian po tayo dyan. At the same time, may hotdog section po. So, mga more on sandwich lang. Tapos, fruit cuts, salad sections, and the same time the whole fruits. Kahit 1 kilo ang kain. So dito kami per break. So employees can take rest. Naka-break ka. So this is our company, how grateful it is. They care their employees. They care the well-being of the employees. Pwede ka matulog dyan. May kumot yan, may unan. So, napakaswerte namin, di ba? Tapos, if in case you want coffee or tea, they have the sections here. So, and dyan, there is also a table. And then, if in case you want to do something na related sa computer, pwede ka dito ng training. So, diyan po. Pagkatapos ng duty mo, dyan mo lang i-drop yung madumi mong uniform para labhan po ng laundry attendant. Bye-bye!